Hello everyone, BC3 here. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 10 mistakes graphic designers often make. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these are the pitfalls you want to avoid in bringing an impactful and purposeful design. Let's dive in. One of the most common mistakes in graphic design is imbalance. This occurs when elements within a design lack harmony and proportion, leading to visual discomfort and confusion for the viewer. To address imbalance, strive for visual equilibrium by distributing elements evenly throughout your design. Utilize principles such as symmetry, asymmetry, and the rule of thirds to create a balanced composition that guides the viewer's eye and communicates your message effectively. Many designers fall into the trap of blindly following design trends without considering their suitability for the specific project or audience. This can result in design that lack originality and fail to make a lasting impression. To avoid this mistake, focus on timeless design principles that transcend fleeting trends. Prioritize understanding your audience and project requirements, and use trends as inspiration rather than strict guidelines. By blending timeless elements with current trends, you can create designs that feel fresh and relevant while still standing the test of time. Designs without a clear purpose often lack direction and fail to effectively communicate their intended message. This can leave viewers confused and disengaged. Before starting any design project, clearly define its purpose and target audience. Consider the desired outcome and message you want to convey, and tailor your design decisions accordingly. By aligning every element with your project's purpose, you can create designs that resonate with your audience and achieve your intended goals. Designs that are culturally insensitive can alienate or offend certain audiences, leading to backlash and damage to your brand's reputation. Prioritize cultural sensitivity by researching and understanding the cultural backgrounds and sensitivities of your target audience. Avoid using culturally appropriative imagery or symbols, and seek feedback from diverse perspectives to ensure your designs are inclusive and respectful of all cultures. Negative space, or the empty areas within the design, is a powerful tool for creating visual balance and emphasis. However, many designers fear utilizing negative space, leading to cluttered and overwhelming designs. Embrace negative space as an essential element of your design toolkit. Use it to enhance readability, draw attention to key elements, and create a sense of visual elegance. By strategically incorporating negative space into your designs, you can achieve clarity and impact while maintaining a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. Inaccessible designs can exclude individuals with disabilities, limiting the reach and impact of your work. This oversight can result in a missed opportunity to engage a broader audience. Prioritize accessibility in your designs by following best practices, such as providing alternative text for images, ensuring color contrast for readability, and using readable fonts. By making your designs inclusive, you not only comply with accessibility standards, but also open the door to a wider audience, ensuring your message reaches everyone. Graphic designers who resist adapting to evolving trends and technologies risk becoming outdated, limiting their creative potential and professional growth. Stay on the cutting edge of design by continuously learning and evolving. Embrace new tools, explore emerging design trends, and be open to pushing your creative boundaries. By embracing change, you not only future-proof your skills, but also bring a fresh and innovative perspective to your designs. Inconsistency in branding can dilute the strength and recognition of a brand, causing confusion among your audience and undermining your brand's identity. Establish and adhere to brand guidelines that encompass logo usage, color schemes, typography, and other key elements. Consistency builds brand's recognition and trust. Regularly audit your designs to ensure they align with your brand's visual identity, reinforcing a cohesive and memorable brand presence. Ignoring copyright and licensing issues can lead to legal repercussions, damaging your professional reputation and potentially resulting in financial consequences. Prioritize understanding intellectual property laws and obtain proper licensing for any assets you use in your designs. Respect the rights of other creators and protect your own work by clearly defining usage terms. This diligence not only safeguards your career, but also fosters a culture of respect within the creative community. Overlooking proofreading can lead to embarrassing typos and errors, detracting from the professionalism and credibility of your designs. Make proofreading an integral part of your design process. Double-check all text for spelling, grammar, and formatting errors. Consider having a fresh pair of eyes review your work. By prioritizing meticulous proofreading, you ensure that your designs not only look great, but also convey your message clearly and professionally. And there you have it. These are the top 10 graphic design mistakes along with practical solutions to help you avoid them. Remember, design is not just about creating visually appealing work. It's about effectively communicating your message to your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know if there's a specific design topic you'd like me to explore in future videos. Until next time, BC3 here. Peace.
BC3